Welcome guys, in this video we will take a look at the design tab of PowerPoint. Now currently you will see that all of the option of design tab is grayed out. It is disabled right now. This is because we have not selected any slide. If I just click on any of the slide, you will see all of the option will enable again. Okay, now the first and easiest thing here you can do in the design tab is to select any theme. For example, if I just click on any of the theme, that theme will apply to my slide. Okay, and now if you have a lots of slide, I'll create some more slide. You see that theme will apply to all of the slides. Okay, you can see, and if I just change the theme, you'll see all of the slide themes will changed. Okay, and now one more thing here, you can see if you want to apply any of the theme to any one slide. For example, I want to apply this theme to this slide only, not this one. So how I can do, I will just right click here, okay, and I will click apply to selected slide. Okay, it will apply this theme only to the selected slide. Okay, and you see all of the remaining slides are same as before. Okay, and if you want to remove, just apply this to all. Okay, apply to matching slide. Okay, other thing here you can do, set as default theme. You can set this as default thing. Add gallery to quick access toolbar, you can do this stuff here. Okay, now if I just click on this icon here, you will see we have some options. Okay, the first thing is we have some colors. Now all of these colors is already available in PowerPoint, and you can also import or add your own custom colors here. Okay, if I just click on any of the color combination, that combination will apply to this theme. Okay, now select this one, and if I just click on colors, you can see I can apply any combination here. Okay, which one you like, you can apply that one to the slides. Okay, other thing here you can do, you can change the font. Okay, you'll find font combination here, you can change to different font combination. Okay, or you can also add your own custom fonts. Okay, I will select this Arial black. Okay, the next thing here you can do is you can add effect here. Okay, you can add an effect here. After that, you can also change your background style. If I just click here, you can see we can change our background style. Okay, and if you don't want to add any style to your background, just select this white. Okay, now currently this one is applied here. Okay, or if I just click on this format background, it will open this format background option. Now here I can do lots of cool stuff. First of all, I can change this fill to gradient, I can change it to solid. Okay, we can increase or decrease the transparency. We already talked about this format stuff here, so I think you are already familiar with it. Okay, you'll also find the effects here and pictures here. Okay, you can play with it and create your theme according to your own needs. Okay, other thing here you can do is you can change your slide size. The most common one is 4:3 aspect ratio or 16:9 aspect ratio. If you want wide screen, you can just select 16:9, and you can also add your custom slide size. Now I will recommend you in most of the cases stick with the wide screen or standard one. Okay, I will just click on wide screen, and if I just click on format background, it will again open that format background option here. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you, that this setting will depend upon the theme you have selected. For example, if I just select this theme, you'll see less options here, and if I select this theme, you'll see more option here. It will depend upon the theme which you have selected. Okay, now that's it for the design tab. Thank you for watching.